The 175 by 60mm 30-degree cone head from Whitehill Spindle Tools is a very practical member of the limiter tooling lineup. The geometry of the block permits cutter projections beyond what is typically possible with conventional cylindrical limiter heads. This allows the joiner to use cost-effective limiter tooling for machining deep profiles. Cutters and limiters, always used in pairs, are offered in two different sizes with many standard profiles available, and as always, bespoke profiles can be made to your specifications. Suitable for running over or under the stock, tooling is offered in 30mm, 40mm, and 1.25-inch bore as standard, with custom modifications to suit your machine available on request. For more information on this or any tooling, consult the Whitehill webpage or please contact Whitehill Spindle Tools at the coordinates in the description below.